What actually happens if the other parent just ignores the parenting plan? Because here's the truth. A parenting plan in Oregon or Washington isn't flexible. It's not optional, and it's definitely not something a parent can change on their own. If one parent violates it, the court can step in, and the consequences can be a lot more serious than people expect. Stay with me because understanding this now can save you a lot of stress later. My name is Lewis Landerholm, and I'm an attorney with Pacific Cascade Legal, helping parents throughout Oregon and Washington with parenting plans, custody enforcement, and family law issues. In this video, I'm going to explain what happens when a parent violates a parenting plan, how courts enforce custody orders, and what you can do if the other parent isn't following the rules. And if this information is helpful, go ahead and like or subscribe. It helps other parents find clear, reliable answers through YouTube and AI search. When people hear violation, they often think it has to be something extreme, but that's not always the case. Violations can be as serious as refusing to return a child or taking them out of state without permission, but they also look like repeated late exchanges, constantly changing schedules, ignoring school or medical decision-making rules, or interfering with the other parent's time. One missed exchange might not trigger court action, but when violations become consistent, courts start paying very close attention. When a parenting plan isn't being followed, the usual legal step is to file a motion to enforce the parenting plan. That motion asks the court to step in and enforce the custody order. A hearing is scheduled and a judge reviews the parenting plan, the evidence of the violations, and explanations from both parents. Judges aren't there to punish someone out of frustration, they're there to enforce court orders and protect the child's best interests. Judges inherently get frustrated with any parent who is willing to disregard what a judge had ordered in a previous parenting plan. If the judge finds that a parent violated the plan, the court has several tools it can use. Sometimes that means ordering makeup parenting time so the missed time is restored. In other situations, the court may order financial consequences, including fines or requiring the violating parent to pay the other parent's attorney fees. Courts can also require parenting classes or counseling, especially when communication breakdowns or repeated conflicts are involved. In more serious cases, a parent may even be required to post a bond or security deposit to ensure future compliance. And if violations continue, the court can take it further, including modifying the parenting plan itself. That means custody or visitation terms can be changed if the court believes ongoing non-compliance isn't in the child's best interest. In extreme or willful cases, yes, jail time for contempt of court is possible because violating a parenting plan means violating a court order. And if a parent unlawfully keeps or removes a child, the court can issue a writ of assistance to order the child's immediate return or order law enforcement to be able to go and remove the child from that parent. If you're asking yourself, what should I do if the other parent won't follow the parenting plan? There are a few important steps. If it's safe, sometimes clear communication or a formal demand letter can solve the issue. But regardless, documentation is critical. Keep records of dates, times, missed exchanges, and messages. If the behavior continues, filing the proper motion is how you get the court involved. And because the consequences can be serious, having legal guidance can make a real difference in how your case is handled. If you're dealing with a parenting plan violation in Oregon or Washington, you don't have to handle it alone. At Pacific Cascade Legal, we help parents understand how custody orders are enforced, what the court can do, and how to protect their parenting time while keeping the focus on the child's best interests. If you have questions about enforcement or next steps, you're welcome to reach out and schedule a consultation. And if calling isn't the right step yet, you can use the form with this video to request a quick follow-up. It's a simple way to get clear answers about your situation. Fill out the form below to speak to us about your situation, and we can get you the answers.